Hey guys, it's Dave here from Creative Path Films, and today I have something very exciting to share with you. There's something profoundly powerful about light. It sets mood, builds character, and tells stories in ways that words alone cannot. For as long as I can remember, I've been captivated by how light transforms a scene. It can wrap a moment in warmth and tenderness, or cast shadows of fear and doubt. It can also evoke loneliness and quiet reflection. Light is the unsung storyteller, an invisible hand shaping how we see, feel, and connect. This transformative power is what first drew me to cinematography. Learning to harness it has been a lifelong journey filled with experimentation, discovery, mistakes, and a few happy accidents along the way. This journey wouldn't have been the same without you. Your passion for storytelling, thoughtful questions, and eagerness to learn have inspired me every step of the way. You've challenged me to think deeper, share more openly, push the boundaries of how I can give back to this incredible community. And that's why I'm so proud to share with you the Film Lighting Fundamentals Reference Guide. This guide is the resource I wish I had when starting out. A carefully crafted book combining essential theories, tools, and techniques for shaping images with light. I've broken the fundamentals into 4 key areas: quality, color, contrast, and control. From there, we dive even deeper into light positioning and techniques to help you craft unique looks. Later chapters explore the most commonly used lighting technologies, fixture types, accessories, and rigging tools, giving you the knowledge to tackle any scene with confidence. Whether you're just starting out or refining your craft, this guide is designed to grow with you. Beginners can follow a structured progression for a seamless learning experience, whilst advanced readers can dive straight into the topics that interest them most. This book is for you, born from everything we've explored and learned together. Your support has made it possible, and I hope it inspires you as much as you have inspired me. To learn more, follow the link in the description or up in the corner. Thank you for being an essential part of this journey. I can't wait to hear your thoughts on the book and see how it helps you bring your stories to life. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.